How's it going, folks? This is Robert, Rolling Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. I'm getting on my way back from Walmart. Got the rest of my stuff from my competition. All I'm going to do now is go to a butcher at a market that's about 20-30 miles from my house and let him tell me what kind of St. Louis ribs they got for competition. I want some that's good, meaty, thick. A lot of meat in between the bones and stuff, and that way I get a clean cut and a clean bite off the bone. The last ones I bought, they were good, but they really weren't competition like I would like them to be. They were real narrow between the bones. There weren't that much meat on them, and they were really hard to cut. True enough, I didn't have to do a lot of trimming on them, but I didn't get a lot of meat either. So what I'm planning on doing is, like I said, we have to get St. Louis style cut ribs. So I will be going to this market and getting it, and getting with their butcher to see what the best quality of St. Louis ribs that he can give me for competition. The guy that I'm going to has about 30 years experience in butchering meat and cutting everything, so he is very knowledgeable. And two other buddies of mine are going with me to talk to him, so hopefully we could get good. I'm gonna probably buy 4 racks, that way I have plenty. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And I'm going to be using my ThermoWorks probes on them continuously. Well, once I get them wrapped after 2 hours, I'll be putting the probes on them and then going from there. And that way I can keep a constant temperature on them, because I don't want to get them over 200. Maybe 205 at the most, because I don't want them to start toughening up. So I want to keep them tender but not falling off the bone. So that's what I got planned the next couple of days. So I'll probably be going Thursday to go get my ribs. Then I got to go get a trailer that I'm borrowing from my father-in-law. It's an enclosed trailer to haul everything over to the competition. And then I'll be setting up everything. I'll be setting up my canopy, and then I'll bring everything Friday morning about 7 o'clock to set up, because I won't start cooking probably till about 12 or 1, because turn-in time's about 4. So I don't want to have to hold them no more than I have to, as far as keeping the temperature on them, because I don't want to dry them out by having to put them in a holding on my Weber grill. So I'm going to try to cook them as close as I can to that check-in time, so I don't have to worry about any drying out or any shriveling up too much or anything like that. So I'll be back on here between now and Saturday morning, give y'all an update what I found on the ribs and everything, and I'm hoping that I can get a good quality rack, 4 of them, so I can have a good turnout at this competition. So I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. See y'all on the flip side.